Hi students, all of you, good morning. Welcome to Unacademy Live SSC Exams YouTube channel. I am Suneel Kumar Bandaru, plus educator in Unacademy. Students, in this DC machines through topic-wise MCQ series, we have already completed 13 sessions. It is the 14th one. Okay, if you want previous one, you can watch in this YouTube channel. Students, it is my referral code Suneel Sir SSC. You can use this referral code to get instant discount in any Unacademy Plus subscription. So, students, in SSC JE and State AE exams, it is a new category. All the JE courses, all the technical courses moved to this new category. Okay, so if you want to get access of all the technical examinations for civil, mechanical, electrical, you need to select your goal as this SSC JE and State AE exams. Okay, and get subscription. My new course in this new category is electrical circuits. It is already started on August 11th. But don't worry, you can get the recordings, you can attend, and every day 8 p.m. is the timing. Okay, so to get access of those, select your goal as SSC, JE and State AE exams. Click on number of months, enter the referral code Suneel Sir SSC. After that, click on proceed to payment. After payment, you will get access to all the plus courses under this SSC, JE and State AE exams category. Okay, so if you have credits, you can also redeem your credits, then your price may be reduced a lot. Okay, so let us check how many questions we have completed in the DC machine series. So we have completed all the basics, windings and armature reaction effect and concept based questions. We have completed all those now. So let us check. Is this armature reaction based questions we have already completed? Yes. Now coming to the question, interpoles are used in dash. Very easy one. Interpoles are used in dash. Yes, in the previous we have already discussed interpoles are used to reduce cross magnetization effect, thereby sparking reduces, thereby improved commutation, right? Improved commutation. Okay, so it can be used in both windings. Okay, not limited for only lap or wave. So it is used in both lap and wave wound machines. Lap and wave is nothing but winding procedure only. Coming to the next one, interpoles winding is connected in dash. Interpole winding is connected in dash. Here, if we have the main field flux is like this, we have the main field MMF is in the same direction, and if the armature flux is quadrature, then we are getting cross magnetization effect. Okay, to reduce that one, we are going to connect interpoles. So this is the interpole flux, interpole MMF or interpole flux. So that is must be opposite that of the armature. Okay, if it must be opposite that of, so whatever the current will flow, whatever the current will flow through the armature, the same current must be flow through the interpole. Okay, so to get this one, we have to connect. Interpoles are connected. Pole winding connected in series with armature. In series with armature. In series with armature, and the flow of current. The flow of current is just opposite to the armature current. Okay, so here you can say series with the armature. So the answer is option A. So the answer is option A. In case of compensating winding, that is also connected in series with the armature only. Coming to the next one, compensating winding is connected in dash. Compensating winding is connected in dash. Just now I said compensating winding. Here, this compensating winding is mainly used in case of large machines. Large machines, wherever there is armature reaction is very high effect. Okay, so in case of large machines, this compensating winding is connected in pole faces. For example, if we have the pole, okay, it is connected in pole faces in slots. Okay, slots in pole. Slots in pole is embedded. Slots in pole here. And the connection is series with armature. With the armature and the current flowing, then current flowing through compensating winding is almost equal to armature current, but in opposite direction. In opposite direction. Okay, then you can reduce the sparking by reducing the cross magnetization effect. Okay, but the compensating winding or the coils, the number of coils used in compensating winding always less than that of armature coils. If the armature coils considered as Z, then coils used in compensating winding, okay, coils used in compensating winding is Z by P. Z by P. Okay, so as per division of the poles, we are going to connect the compensating winding coils. Okay, these are connected in series with the armature only. So the answer is option A. So the answer is option A. Okay, but the currents flowing will be exactly opposite direction. Exactly opposite direction. Okay. Coming to the next one. The direction of the current in the compensating winding is dash to the direction of current in the armature conductors. The armature conductors. Very easy one. Just now I have given. Just now I have given that the current flow through the compensating winding is almost equal to armature current, but in opposite direction. So opposite direction, so that is exactly opposite. Exactly opposite. Then only if we have the field MMF is in this direction, armature MMF is in this direction, then due to the compensating winding, we are getting the MMF, it's opposite direction to the armature MMF. Okay, so exactly opposite. The primary reason for providing compensating winding in a DC generator is to dash. The primary reason for providing compensating winding in a DC generator is to dash. Very easy one. The previous concept I have given, this one also. Yeah, what is the main important consideration of this compensating winding? To reduce the cross magnetization effect. To reduce cross magnetization effect. Okay, if you reduce the cross magnetization effect, then sparking reduces, automatically commutation also improves. Okay, so to reduce the cross magnetization, neutralize the cross magnetizing flux. Neutralize cross magnetizing flux. So the answer is option C. Coming to the next one. In a 10-pole lap-wound DC generator, the number of active armature conductors per pole is 50. The number of compensating conductors per pole required is dash. The number of active armature conductors per pole is 50. The number of compensating conductors per pole required is dash. Just now I have given the formula. Just 3 minutes back I have given the formula for compensating conductors per pole. Yes, what I said in the previous I have given that the coils used in compensating winding is always less than the armature coils. Okay, so that formula of the compensating winding coils is nothing but Z by P na. Z by P I have given. So use that formula here. The number of compensating conductors these are always less than that of armature coils or armature conductors. Okay, armature conductors. So then the number of compensating conductors per pole is equal to Z by P. So Z number of conductors are nothing but 50 they have given per pole by 10. So you are getting 5. 5 is enough. The number of compensating conductors per pole is 5. Okay. So like that you can give the answer very easily. Coming to the next one. The MMF produced by interpole is proportional to dash. The MMF produced by interpole is proportional to dash. Yes. Coming to this one. the MMF produced by interpole is proportional to. Here, interpole is connected in series with armature, in series with armature. It is in series with armature means whatever the current will flow through the armature, that same current will flow through the interpole. So the MMF produced by interpole is directly proportional to current flow in interpole. That is nothing but current flow in armature current flow in armature. So that is, you can say, armature current. So it is directly proportional to armature current. Directly proportional to armature current. Okay. Coming to the next one. The polarity of the interpoles in DC generator is dash. The polarity of interpoles in DC generator is dash. The polarity of interpoles in a DC generator is same as that of main poles, same as that of main pole ahead. Okay, so in case of motor also same as that of main pole, okay, same as that of main pole behind direction of rotation, okay, behind direction of rotation. Coming to the next one. In a DC generator, sparking at the brushes results due to dash. Sparking at the brushes is result due to dash. Yes, from all the previous questions, we have discussed that whenever we have the high inductance, then high reactance voltage. If the reactance voltage is high, then it will be opposes the change in current. Opposes the change in current. So that means in that case we are getting the sparking due to reactance voltage. We are getting sparking. Okay. So if you reduce the reactance voltage, you can reduce the sparking. So that means we are getting the sparking due to reactance voltage. So the answer is option D. Coming to the next one. Here find the reactance voltage when current is changed from -2 amps to +2 amps in 4 seconds and self-inductance is 1 Henry. Self-inductance is 1 Henry. Yes, just now I have given the formula VR is equal to LdI by dt. So L is nothing but 1 Henry. Di, change in the current, -2 to 2. So change in current is 4 amps. 4 amps by t, 4 seconds. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. 1 volt you are getting. So 1 volt is the reactance voltage here. Okay. Coming to the next one. If the armature current is increased to double its previous value and the time of commutation is off, how will the reactance voltage vary? How will the reactance voltage vary? Come on, very easy one. Yes. What is the formula of the reactance voltage? L di by dt. Okay. So here what they have given, armature current is going to be double to its previous value and the time of the commutation is off. Current is going to be double and the time of the commutation is going to be off. Then what you will get, 4 into I by tau. So I by tau is nothing but you can make it as di by dt. So that is nothing but VR is 4 times. Reactance voltage will be 4 times. So the answer is option D. So the answer is option D. Good morning, Kajal. Coming to the next one. In DC generator, interpoles are used to neutralize dash. In DC generator, interpoles are used to neutralize the dash. Yes, interpoles are used to neutralize. If you use the interpoles, what is the first one? Cross magnetization effect is reduces. And the second one, reactance voltage also reduces. Okay, so that means both A and B. So we can give the answer as both A and B. Okay, yes. Okay, students, we will discuss the remaining questions in the next session, the same timing tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Okay, I want to show the schedule of this DC machine series. Coming to the schedule of this DC machine series, have completed up to 18th. Okay, have completed up to 18th. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and after that Saturday. So we have the sessions morning 7:30 a.m. and on Saturday we have two sessions evening 6:30 p.m. also. Okay, so all of you attend for all these live classes, and if you have missed the previous sessions you can watch them as recording in this YouTube channel. And students, you not only get this YouTube classes, you can also get Unacademy special classes. These are also free classes in Unacademy Plus. Okay, so if you want to access these special classes, already this 14th and 15th completed. The next sessions will be 21st 8 p.m. and 22nd 10 a.m. Okay, and coming to the railways category, in that also 21st 8:30 a.m. and 22nd 8:30 a.m. Okay, so it is Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday we have the sessions. Okay, so all of you take a screenshot of this one. Take a screenshot of this one, and if you are first time watching the sessions in Unacademy app, okay, so use the referral code Suneel Sir SSC to unlock the free content. Okay, so if you have Unacademy app, directly select your goal as SSC JE or AE category to get access to these classes. Okay, so if you want to access railway category, select your goal as railway category and you can access these sessions. And students, if you are also preparing for non-technical examinations and if you want to take SSC exam subscription, that is old category, you can get all the batch courses from 18th August, that is today. So you will get best platform for SSC preparation with a lot of content, and you can get best educators including Wi-Fi study and team all stars batch for CGL and CHSL and set Brahmastra batch and CGL and CHSL exam Safalta batch and strong lineup batches for MTS stenographer and CPO GD constable. Okay, and you have asked out future. Okay, you can raise your hand and you can ask your doubt. Okay, and you can also get very good offers. You will get additional 3 months and 6 months in 1 year or 2 year subscriptions. Okay, and you can also attend for combat session, and if you get the ranks you will get the scholarship. Okay, don't miss every Sunday 12 p.m. and you can use the same referral code Suneel Sir SSC to get instant discount. Select number of months and enter the referral code and get subscription. Then you can access to all the plus courses under SSC exam subscription. Okay, and if you want only technical classes, if you want only technical classes for your JE examinations, then go for this category, SSC JE and State AE category. Select number of months, enter the referral code Suneel Sir SSC. After that, click on proceed to payment, and after payment, you will get access to all the plus courses. Okay.